Now we get to the fun part. We've got to truss this prime rib up. I've learned several different ways how to do this. The easiest is where you take it and you wrap around 3 times and cinch it tight. Then tie it off and then repeat each step across the whole roast. But because I got into charcuterie, I had to learn how to do it more professionally and keep it more uniform and solid across the whole roast. So we take the string and go underneath the meat, and you can give yourself a little slack because you're gonna need some of this at the end. And then we just bring this piece over to you. Pinch it off, and then you're gonna go over and make a loop. And then back through. Here is our butcher slip knot, let's call it. And you wanna try to get this kind of lined up in the center. So adjust your strings. If you take a little time in the beginning, it's just gonna make it a little easier. Now after you kind of have it formed and tight, go ahead and put on a cinch knot. Now take your string, loop it over, and go back underneath. Again, take your time, get it kind of lined up the best that you can, and don't expect to be perfect at it right away. The main thing is that you're getting it tight. It's a good time to check the bottom too, to make sure that you're kind of going even. I kind of have to baby this string. It's not the best twine. Now we just keep repeating until we get all the way to the end. We're almost there. If that happens, or you break it, there's only one choice. You have to tie a knot in it. Don't worry, you don't have to start over. Just sucks. I got a little too aggressive with it. I hate when things advertise that it's butcher twine, but it really is just a craft store crap. So if you're gonna get anything that's called butcher twine, make sure that it's actually like coming from some type of butcher company instead of coming from Craftin' with Edith. Now when we get to this point, you're just gonna roll it over, take your string, and you wanna go a little bit past, give yourself room for error. It's better to have a little bit too much than not enough. So we're gonna go way out here and then cut it off. This part's really easy. Go underneath the string and then come back and over and then under again. Try to do it this way. Go underneath, back over, and underneath again. I'm gonna make a country song. Underneath, back over, and under again. Okay, maybe I won't make a famous country song, but get to this point, bring it all the way up to the top, and we're going to tighten these off. Put a couple knots in it. Why not one more, just for good luck? And there we go. It's all trussed up. I don't like this chunk of fat. It's pissing me off.